Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial we will learn how to use Tailwind CSS in React.js. So this is very easy task. So first of all we will need to open our React project in VS Code. So as you see, I already opened my React project in Visual Studio Code, and after that in VS Code I will open my terminal and install Tailwind CSS by using npm. So I open my terminal and write a command over here, and we wait for about 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, so after installing Tailwind CSS by using npm, we will need to generate configuration file of Tailwind CSS by using npx. So I will write a command over here for that, and it will generate Tailwind CSS configuration file for us. Okay, it generated a file for us. So we will go to our configuration file, and over here inside the content we will write a React format, file formats like JavaScript, TypeScript, and for that I will copy that format from here. Okay, and paste it inside this array and save the file. Okay, after that we will open our main CSS file, which is index.css. so inside that we will import some important dependencies of Tailwind, which will enable us to use Tailwind CSS in our React project. So for that I copy that from here, that imports, and paste it above the body. Okay, and I will save this, and after that I will go to our app.js, which is main file, and write some of the basics Tailwind CSS classes over here. First of all, inside a div I will write as to tag, maybe a paragraph tag. Okay, and inside that this is my Tailwind code. And I will use some of the basic class of Tailwind, like background blue with padding 4. Okay, and on the p tag I will use some classes for like color for fonts, like for example text white. And I will save this and run a React project on locally by using npm start. Okay, so we will wait for 10 to 15 seconds. So now we will check our localhost on our Chrome. So because our command npm start runs successfully, so I will open my Chrome. So as you see here, the background is blue of the div and the text color is white. So that's it. This is all you need to know about how to use Tailwind CSS in React.js. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe our channel. Bye. Take care.